crowned my sibling with a halo so bright, while I learned stealth moves just to sleep at night. They were the trophy, I was the test, but jokes on the system turned out the best. I see the script now, the chosen one plan, but I traded that stage for a life that's unplanned. You keep your crown, I'll take my peace. No more auditions for family appease. I won my freedom, no need for a decree. I'm living on snacks and boundaries. Oh, the golden child shines but can't ever rest. They're one sneeze away from being less than the best. I'm over here vibing, emotionally free. I'm over here vibing, emotionally free, with empathy, insight, and good therapy. Statues look perfect, but they don't breathe, while I'm out here dancing in my own belief. So you play judge, I live my scenes. Simon Cowell of parenting, check your self-esteem. You keep your scoreboard, I quit the show. My valiant transcends, thought you should know. I found real life's simplicity, just me, my snacks, and firm boundaries. Just me, my snacks, and firm boundaries.